Gas up the Jeep, it's good to be free. Load up the pans and fishing poles. The highway is long, the wheels turning round. Pack up the cook stove and the bowls. Arlo and I, we hit the open road. Arlo and I are on the road.
Well, Arlo and I are out and about again today, and we thought we'd come out and make a video, and of course we're getting caught up in the storm here. So it's hailing right now, so we're heading back to the Jeep to let this storm pass. Of course, it is beautiful out here though. Yeah, we're up on a big hill here. I don't want to get struck by lightning. It's a lot of thunder and lightning, and as usual, Mother Nature has a different idea for us, which is cool. We'll come back out once the storm passes. So we're gonna head back down to the Jeep. Hopefully we won't get too soaking wet. Now, there are a ton of beautiful wildflowers out, and we were hoping to do a cool video talking about wildflowers, and we still might when the storm passes. But you can see in the rain here, all these hills here are covered with those beautiful lupins, and lots of other flowers out here. Here we have some brittle bush. Here, some of the Mexican poppies in the rain. Okay, all right, let's go. There's a bunch more of those over there. So there is quite a bit of color out here. But when this passes, we'll come back up. It's wet, but it's pretty. Ground's a little slick, so I'm not going as fast as I'd like to go, but get a little wet. There you are. Yeah, exactly. That's the way I feel. I don't know if you can see it, but a little hail or almost snow kind of dancing around him. Nothing like a rain in the desert. It is refreshing. It's not real windy, so it's not real chilly right now, but I don't know, it's probably in the 60s, maybe 50s, but upper 50s or lower 60s. It feels really good. Hey, yeah. Well, here we are back in the car again. Another Arizona rainstorm. Some water on the lens here. Well, it's really cool. Actually, we love it when it rains, so no big deal. Put a stop to our little video plans, but we'll rethink this and we'll head back out. Arlo's looking like a drowned rat again. What do you think? Yeah, I know. Rain. Looks like we're going to be sitting in the Jeep again for a little while here. So we're just going to enjoy this for a bit, and then we'll get back out and hopefully be able to get outside. All right, well, we're back out. It stopped raining for a little bit. We're hoping that maybe we'll have a little bit of a break in the rain and we can look at some wildflowers. You know, it's kind of chilly. My pants are wet, so I feel a little chilly. It's starting to get a little breezy. But I did notice on the way down there were a few interesting wildflowers, and hopefully we'll be able to see a few. Like this one right here. This plant right here. These beautiful, look at that. They're like, look at those. I believe that is a type of lotus. I know there's several different varieties of lotus out here, but you can see these really pretty pea like blossoms. It is in the pea family. Let's see what else we can find. Lots of those around. Let's see. All over the hills there. God, look at those. Those are some really pretty, I believe that's called a penstemon. Beautiful red flowers. On the side of the hill here. Long flowers that are obviously pollinated by hummingbirds or possibly butterflies. In order to get that nectar from that long blossom there. There. Some more of those. These little pea-like flowers are so pretty. That right there, yeah. Lots of thistle around. Look at those skies after the storm. Well, we're in the middle of the storm. It's not over yet. These, look at that. That lupin, beautiful, deep purple blue color, and these really cool palmate arranged leaves here. Really cool. These right here, look at that, beautiful flower. That's called the desert marigold, and very marigold-like, but very pretty. Those interesting furry leaves and stems. What a beautiful landscape. But Arlo and I are getting soaked, so it's time to head back to the Jeep again. And maybe we'll come back out tomorrow when it clears up. Looks like it's going to be doing this for the rest of the day. Let's get in here. Hey. Arlo's wet. My shoes are wet. Starting to rain a little bit harder, so I think we're gonna call it a day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, please subscribe. That always helps us a lot. And we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye-bay.
Gas up the Jeep. It's fun to be free.
Looks like a little fairy duster. A little dried out, but this rain will give it a little drink.
Get the open road. Arlo and I on the road.
Look at that. Rain, rain, rain. All right, surprise, I'm back. We came back the next day. The rain is gone, although it looks like it might rain again. But I thought I'd take a quick hike up here and take a look at a few of these wildflowers that we missed because it was raining so much. We are in an area that has Native American ruins that's pretty near my house, so thought it would be a beautiful place to come up to. And there are lots of wildflowers around here. Today's a much nicer day. One of the flowers that we talked about yesterday, this is a type of lotus in the pea family, most likely like a, what do they call it, desert rock pea or something like that. But there are lots of other flowers like this one here. This weedy plant here, these small yellow flowers, very pretty. And you can see, for obvious reasons, this is called the fiddleneck. But this grows all over the hills here. It's very hairy plant, as a lot of the plants here are in the desert, but very pretty. Okay, what's this one? This flower here is actually called scorpion weed, and for similar reasons to why we call the, well, here's one right here, the fiddleneck. You can see that shape of that flower looks like a fiddleneck. On this, especially as this flower matures, this area, this part of the flower becomes longer and looks like the tail of a scorpion. Looks like a tail of a scorpion right there. Very cool. But that is our scorpion weed. Very pretty. Very pretty wildflower. Up at the top of the hill there is where the Indian ruins are, where there are many houses and many buildings that were there almost 1,000 years ago. But this is a really cool place to come. And look, at all that lupin. Beautiful blue. And look at these. Now those plants with the unfortunate name of blue dicks are right over here. Look at this flower. Now, that is another beautiful flower, and you can see them all along this hill here, this hillside. They are called blue dicks, but they seem to be more of a purple dick. That. Those are so pretty. We were yesterday, and they have some beautiful Mexican poppies. Just, this right here. You can see its feathery leaves. There's quite a few here. These are on their way out, starting to shrivel up. Here's some more right here. Once again, our beautiful lupins. Some more of those fiddlenecks. Look at that. Perfect example of that fiddleneck shape. Here, some more of these blue dicks, which actually are edible. Maybe we'll harvest some of those. Not here, since this is sort of a park, but we'll go out in the desert and we can harvest some and try them out. Over here is brittle bush. See this here? Those beautiful leaves. Brittle bush is another common plant out here, and we stopped by this plant yesterday, but this is the desert marigold. Look at that. Look at those beautiful flowers. And I always love this beautiful foliage here. Now this plant right here is called chia, like your chia. Now you can wait for these seed heads to dry out, and you can collect the seeds, and you can use them in your drinks or in your oatmeal or however you like your chia. But you can see it's all over the hillsides here. Here's some seed heads from last season, although there aren't any seeds in these. You can see how they dry out like that. Now this right here, look at this. See these nice berries on here. This is actually called the wolfberry, which is actually related to the goji berry, and this is an edible sort of tomato-like fruit on here, and these are a great source of food out here in the desert, and this is a really cool plant. Look at that. Look, those beautiful little fruits on there, and like I said, these are edible, and they do have like tomato-like seeds in there. Wow, look at that sky. Another storm's coming, and well, it's time to get back to the car. Wow.
Gas up the Jeep, it's fun to be free. Load up the pans and fishing poles. Arlo and I, we hit the open road. Arlo and I on the road.